Electric motors begin with carefully selected metals, minerals, and insulating materials. Let's confirm the copper content first. Copper-bearing rock supplies the conductive material needed for efficient motor windings. Mark this seam for sampling. Iron ore becomes electrical steel for precisely engineered rotor and stator laminations. Keep this grade separated from the next bench. Bauxite provides aluminum used in housings, rotors, fans, and terminal components.
Seal number 12 and record the depth.
Rare earth minerals create powerful magnets for compact, high-efficiency electric motor designs. Silica-based materials help form durable insulation, protecting energized motor components. The particle distribution is within specification. Recovered metals reduce waste while supplying valuable secondary manufacturing feedstock. Keep the clean copper separate from coated material. Copper minerals reveal metallic colors before crushing, concentration, and electrical refining. The mineralization is strongest along this fracture. Magnetite's dense crystal structure ultimately supports low-loss electrical steel production. Magnetic response is strong and consistent, and bauxite's earthy texture conceals aluminum compounds essential for lightweight motor bodies. This nodule shows the right density. Rare earth ore contains magnetic elements crucial for modern permanent magnet motors. Chain of custody is confirmed for this lot. Clean silica grains become glass-filled insulation and heat-resistant electrical materials. Moisture is low enough for processing. Mica's layered structure provides exceptional thermal resistance around high-voltage windings.
The layers are uniform and free of contamination.
Reclaimed copper retains conductivity after careful sorting, cleaning, and controlled remelting. This conductor passes, place it with clean feedstock. Veteran miners identify copper-rich seams using instruments and decades of experience.
Copper grade is strongest at marker 7.
Experienced operators collect iron ore while protecting consistency across every load.
Keep this load assigned to the electrical steel grade.
Careful bauxite sampling ensures aluminum feedstock meets strict chemical requirements. Interval 4 is complete.
Seal this interval before moving lower.
Rare earth material is isolated, labeled, and secured for specialized processing.
Weight confirmed at the required amount.
Apply the tamper seal and record the number.
Silica samples are collected to verify purity, moisture, and particle size.
Sample 19, 12-inch depth, ready for moisture testing.
Sorted recovered copper begins another life inside precision electric motors. This batch is ready for the refinery. Secure the lid before moving this load. Collected copper feedstock is sorted by purity before transportation begins.
Keep the plated pieces in the secondary bin.
Steel-grade ore is sampled again before entering covered hull containers.
Grade is consistent with the approved electrical steel batch.
Aluminum-bearing material is separated by moisture, density, and chemical grade.
This section belongs in the lower moisture container.
Specialized magnet minerals require secure containers and documented custody procedures.
Container weight and lot identification both match.
Recovered copper is compacted carefully to preserve clean material separation.
Compression is complete. Prepare the identification tag.
Forklift teams load copper containers using balanced, controlled lifting techniques. Load is centered, raise slowly, and hold.
Covered trucks protect electrical steel feedstock from moisture and contamination.
Cover track is clear and the seal is intact.
Bauxite samples travel separately to maintain traceability throughout material processing. Sample sequence is correct from top to bottom.
Rare earth shipments use tamper seals, weight checks, and secure documentation.
Weight, seal, and vessel count all match.
Recovered metals are strapped securely before leaving the collection facility.
Tension is even, and the corner guards are seated.
Drivers monitor load stability, temperature, and road conditions throughout transit. Temperature and load movement remain within the transport limits.
Incoming trucks queue by material type before entering the receiving yard.
Copper load. Proceed to dock 4 at walking speed.
Dock coordinators guide each vehicle toward its assigned unloading position.
Hold position. Dock restraint is engaging now.
Certified scales record shipment weights before materials enter plant inventory.
Gross weight matches the declared copper load within tolerance.
7, 4, 2, 9, 8.
Receiving inspectors carefully compare seals, paperwork, and identification numbers on site.
Copper deliveries undergo conductivity testing before acceptance into production storage. Conductivity meets the specification for precision winding production. Electrical steel feedstock is checked for grade, thickness, and surface condition.
Coating is uniform, and the edges show no transit damage.
Accepted materials receive lot codes, linking every shipment to production.
Lot code is active and linked to every receiving record.
Approved copper feedstock enters cleaning systems before precision wire production begin. Rinse pressure is stable across all nozzles. Rotating brushes remove oxidation without reducing valuable copper conductor dimensions.
Maintain light contact. We only need surface cleaning.
Clean copper rods are inspected before entering controlled drawing equipment. Diameter and surface condition meet the drawing line requirements. Successive drawing dies reduce copper diameter while preserving electrical conductivity. All drawing stages are holding uniform reduction.
Annealing heat restores flexibility required for tightly formed motor windings.
Annealing temperature is steady. Precision gauges verify wire diameter before insulation coating operations begin.
Diameter variation remains well inside the winding specification.
Electrical steel coils are cleaned to remove protective shipping residues.
The strip is clean and completely dry before slitting.
Automated slitters divide wide steel coils into production-ready narrow strips. All strip widths remain centered and consistent.
Edge inspection prevents damaged steel from reaching high-speed stamping presses.
Edge quality is clean, with no damaging burr formation.
Insulation materials are cut, dried, and organized for motor assembly. Slot liners match the correct stator length and width. High-speed presses stamp electrical steel into precise stator laminations. Slot pattern is complete, and the coating remains undamaged. Each lamination slot guides copper windings through the finished stator. Slot geometry matches the winding tool clearance requirement. Stacking machines precisely align laminations to create low-loss stator cores.
All slots remain aligned through the full stack.
Confirmed. Rotor laminations are stamped separately for balanced rotating motor assemblies.
Rotor slots and center bore are clean and concentric. Shaft steel is cut and machined to exact concentric dimensions.
Cut length is correct for the scheduled rotor assembly.
Computer-controlled lathes finish bearing surfaces and coupling features accurately consistently.
Bearing diameter is centered and within machining tolerance.
Rotor cores are pressed onto shafts using measured hydraulic force. Press force remains uniform through the complete interference fit. Aluminum is cast into rotor slots, forming conductive squirrel cages. Aluminum is filling every rotor slot at the programmed pressure.
Cooling systems carefully control casting temperature to prevent rotor distortion.
Cooling remains balanced, with no indication of rotor distortion.
Preliminary runout is acceptable for the next balancing operation.
Okay.
Balanced rotor assemblies move forward for winding and final integration.
Slot liners electrically isolate copper windings from laminated stator steel. Liner height is uniform around the full core. Precision machines form copper conductors into repeatable stator coil shapes.
Conductor tension remains steady through every forming corner. Automated winders maintain exact turn counts and conductor tension continuously.
Every turn is laying flat without overlap. Formed coils receive temporary bindings that preserve geometry during handling. The winding shape remains stable after tool release. Insulation sleeves protect coil leads from abrasion and electrical breakdown. Lead insulation extends beyond every possible contact point. Insertion tools guide insulated coils into stator slots without damage.
Insertion pressure is uniform, with no insulation resistance.
Wedges lock windings securely inside each slot during motor operation.
Wedge depth is correct, and the conductors remain secure.
End turn height now matches the housing clearance requirement. Coil forming creates uniform end turns and reliable internal clearances. Lacing cord stabilizes windings against vibration and electromagnetic forces during operation. Every lacing loop is firm and evenly spaced.
Electrical connections join coil groups into the required winding circuit.
Joint number 6 matches the approved winding circuit.
Surge testing reveals hidden insulation weaknesses before resin impregnation begins.
All phases show matching surge response and stable insulation. Preheating removes moisture and prepare windings for complete resin penetration. This cycle will remove moisture before resin treatment. Vacuum pressure impregnation fills microscopic spaces throughout the stator winding. Vacuum is removing trapped air from every winding space.
Controlled curing hardens insulating resin into a durable protective structure.
Resin temperature is uniform across the complete stator batch.
Finished stators undergo electrical tests confirming insulation and winding accuracy. Electrical values and mechanical clearances meet final stator requirements. Dynamic balancing removes tiny mass differences that cause rotor vibration. Imbalance is minor and located on the drive end plane.
Precision grinders finish rotor shafts for smooth bearing installation later.
Bearing seat size and roundness are both within tolerance.
Bearings are cleaned, measured, and lubricated before final assembly begins.
Lubrication quantity matches the bearing manufacturer's assembly specification.
Heated housings expand slightly, allowing controlled bearing and stator installation. Temperature expansion provides the required installation clearance. Rotor and stator subassemblies meet with carefully controlled internal clearances. Rotor clearance is uniform through the full insertion path. End shields secure bearings and accurately locate the rotor shaft assembly. Bearing and end shield alignment remains centered throughout installation. Controlled torque fastening keeps motor housings aligned and mechanically stable.
Every fastener reaches torque without abnormal rotation.
Terminal connections organize winding leads for safe external power delivery.
Phase order and ground connection both match the wiring diagram. Cooling fans move air across motor surfaces during continuous operation. Fan direction matches the motor's required cooling airflow.
Protective covers complete the motor before comprehensive quality inspections begin.
Protective covers are secure, aligned, and free from interference.
Inspectors verify housing dimensions before approving each assembled electric motor.
All mounting dimensions remain within the approved manufacturing tolerance.
Shaft runout measurements confirm smooth rotation and accurate mechanical alignment. Shaft runout remains below the allowable assembly limit. Air gap checks ensure consistent clearance between rotor and stator surfaces.
Air gap variation remains uniform around the complete rotor circumference.
Torque audits confirm every fastener meets documented assembly requirements exactly.
Audit readings match the original assembly torque records.
Visual inspectors identify coating defects, damaged fins, and incomplete markings. Coating, guards, gaskets, and markings are complete and undamaged. Electrical resistance tests compare all winding phases for manufacturing consistency.
All winding phases show consistent temperature-corrected resistance.
Insulation resistance testing verifies safe separation between conductors and housing.
Insulation resistance remains stable between windings and grounded housing.
High potential testing confirms insulation withstands specified electrical stress safely levels.
Leakage current remains below the specified dielectric limit.
No-load testing reveals current balance, speed, vibration, and operating noise.
Speed, current balance, and vibration remain within no-load limits. Load testing verifies torque, efficiency, temperature, and power performance together. Rated torque is stable, and efficiency meets the target.
Laboratory analysis confirms copper purity and conductor coating integrity precisely.
Copper composition and enamel thickness meet the winding specification.
Steel samples undergo magnetic testing to measure losses and permeability.
Magnetic losses remain below the approved electrical steel limit.
Insulation laboratories measure dielectric strength, thermal endurance, and resin cure. Dielectric strength and resin cure both satisfy production requirements.
Lubricant analysis protects bearings by detecting contamination and viscosity changes. Viscosity and particle count remain within the bearing specification.
Engineers review complete test records before releasing motors for refinement. All records are complete, consistent, and linked to this motor.
All surfaces are clean, dry, and free from residue. Final cleaning removes fingerprints, dust, and residue before protective packaging. Minor coating imperfections receive controlled touch-ups after complete quality approval.
Color, texture, and coverage now match the surrounding coating.
Protective shaft treatments prevent corrosion during storage and international transportation.
Protective film is uniform with no excess around the seal.
Final identification plates permanently link each motor to certified records. Nameplate data matches every certified motor record.
Release inspectors verify accessories, documentation, and packaging instructions before transfer. Motor, documents, and accessories are complete for packaging. Packaging lines begin by cleaning workstations and confirming scheduled motor models.
Line setup matches today's motor size and destination. Custom foam supports protect heavy motors from vibration and impact damage.
Cradle contact points align with the housing's strongest surfaces. Moisture barriers shield finished motors from humidity during extended storage.
Barrier film is clean, undamaged, and correctly sized.
Desiccant packets control trapped moisture inside sealed protective packaging systems.
Desiccant quantity matches the package volume and transit duration.
Protective caps prevent contamination of shafts, threads, and electrical terminals.
Every shaft, thread, and terminal opening is protected.
Operators lower each motor carefully into its engineered shipping cradle.
Motor weight is centered across the engineered support points.
Accessories and manuals travel inside labeled compartments beside each motor.
Every accessory and document matches this motor serial number.
Barrier film is sealed tightly around motors for environmental protection.
Seal width is uniform with no wrinkles or contamination. Vacuum sealing reduces package volume while preserving protective barrier integrity. Vacuum remains stable, confirming complete barrier seal integrity.
Printed labels identify model, serial number, weight, and handling requirements.
Model, weight, serial number, and destination all match.
Automated scanners confirm every barcode matches the enclosed motor record.
All package identifiers match the enclosed motor record.
8 codes document packaging time, shift, facility, and inspection status.
Date, shift, facility, and release status are clearly printed. Carton sealing systems close packages with reinforced industrial adhesive tape. Carton flaps are aligned and the seal is fully bonded.
Finished cartons receive corner protection before entering case packing operations safely. Corner protection is complete and the shipping case is correctly sized. Palletizing robots arrange packaged motors into stable, traceable shipping loads.
Pallet balance and package spacing match the approved shipping pattern.
Reinforced cases receive corner posts before final stretch wrapping begins. All corner supports are square and fully seated. Stretch film stabilizes pallet loads without crushing protective shipping cases.
Wrap tension is secure without deforming the shipping cases.
Banding secures heavy motor shipments against movement during long transportation.
Band tension meets specification without damaging the outer case.
Pallet identity now links every motor and packaging record. Final pallet labels connect shipment identity with warehouse tracking systems.
Outbound inspectors verify package stability, markings, seals, and documentation carefully. Packaging, seals, labels, and records are ready for storage. Warehouse teams organize motor pallets by destination, weight, and priority. This export pallet is assigned to Secure Zone A.
Climate monitoring protects packaged motors from moisture and temperature extremes.
Storage temperature and humidity remain within packaging requirements.
Barcode systems record every pallet movement throughout secure warehouse storage. Physical location matches the active warehouse inventory record.
Heavy-duty racks support motor shipments within carefully calculated weight limits.
Rack capacity exceeds the combined weight at every level.
Cycle counts confirm physical inventory matches every digital warehouse record. Physical inventory matches every assigned warehouse location. Warehouse inspections detect damaged packaging before products enter distribution channels.
Packaging remains dry, secure, and free from storage damage.
Order picking teams select verified pallets according to scheduled customer deliveries.
This verified pallet matches today's scheduled customer delivery.
Shipping crews stage outbound loads in precise trailer loading sequence. All outbound pallets are staged in correct loading order. Forklift operators position heavy pallets using controlled low-speed movements safely.
Load is centered and clear of both trailer walls.
Load planners distribute weight evenly across each transport trailer floor.
Weight remains balanced across both trailer axles.
Restraint systems prevent packaged motors shifting during highway and rail transport. Every pallet is restrained against forward, rearward, and lateral movement.
Shipping documents are verified before trailers receive tamper-evident security seals. Manifest, pallet count, trailer number, and seal all match. Finished motors travel through regional distribution networks toward customer facilities. Trailer conditions and arrival schedule remain within the delivery plan.
Receiving teams inspect delivered packages before accepting motors into inventory. Seal, labels, and packaging condition meet receiving requirements.
Precision-built electric motors arrive ready to power modern industrial systems. Installation, wiring, guarding, and cooling clearance are all complete.